If you want to really get how your air conditioning system works, you gotta know what the plenum is and why it matters so much. So, the plenum is basically this sheet metal box or chamber where the A coil hangs out. It's kind of like the middleman between your air handler and the ductwork, making sure air flows smooth and cool. When the air passes over the A coil inside the plenum, it gets chilled before heading into your rooms, so that's why keeping the plenum clean and sealed tight is clutch. If you ever notice weak airflow or weird noises, check if the plenum's got gaps or dirt buildup messing with things. Also, if you're swapping parts or upgrading your AC, make sure the plenum matches the size and specs of your system so everything fits right. And don't forget, some plenums have extra ports for fresh air intake or drainage, so knowing what yours has can save you headaches later. You can even tape up small leaks with HVAC foil tape to keep efficiency up without spending a ton. Just remember, if you're unsure about working with sheet metal or electrical parts around the plenum, calling a pro is always a smart move. One of the biggest mistakes people make with plenums is ignoring leaks or cracks, which kills AC efficiency and hikes bills. Fix this by sealing any gaps with proper HVAC tape or mastic sealant. Another common issue is choosing the wrong plenum size when replacing parts. This messes with airflow and cooling power, so always double-check your system specs before buying. Lastly, folks often skip regular cleaning of their plenums and A coils, which lets dust and grime block airflow and reduce cooling, to schedule yearly inspections and cleanings to keep your AC running smooth. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff on projects like AC repairs or replacements. Plus, it helps contractors connect with real clients who need quality work done, making life easier for both sides.